the first thing is to get the French beans on the stove. Just put them in some little amount of water, then added salt. I'm going to leave them to boil for about 10 minutes, and this is now after 10 minutes. That is how they look. My meat. Unfortunately today I have beef. I really hate making beef because I don't hit up a pressure cooker for that, but I'm gonna try as much as possible to cook it until it's soft. My purple cabbage. I don't know the name of this cabbage, but it's really good for salad. I really love it. It's so tasty, and it's also not a complex. It doesn't need complex cooking. So I'm just going to get all my ingredients ready for this meal all together while I wait my meat to boil. You may also notice that I don't usually peel my carrots. I just usually wash them and then I just cut them. have 2 onions for the salad and 1 onion for the French beans. Two tomatoes for the French beans. Guys, now I just want to get the rice ready. In the meantime, I'll be frying the salad. So for the salad, I don't wait for the onion to be golden brown. So there guys. After tasting it, I realized that it was still not soft to my desired softness, and so I decided to just put water again and let it boil. But this time it was not a lot of water because I'm still not patient. I was getting tired and hungry. Now here are my veggies. So after the onions were mildly cooked, I added the veggies to cook together. Finally ready to my desire, although it's not as soft as they had described that it would be, but it's okay. Yeah. So now what I usually do with the beef or any kind of meat I'm cooking, I usually don't add oil directly after finishing its boiling. I usually just let it cook at first on low heat without adding oil or onion or anything. And my rice is almost ready. My greens are also ready. My veggies are also almost ready. So now this is how I cook it, and then I add oil at this moment when the meat had almost turned brown. After adding oil, I again let it just fry in that oil before adding the onion for about 2 minutes. turn it for some time, and then add the onions. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the green peppers. I added some chili. Rice is ready. I'm adding pilau masala on the meat. After that, I add my tomatoes. The dania, I'm going to use it both for the French beans and for the salad. So I am just adding it on the salad when the heater is off. So I'm going to let these tomatoes steam at a very low heat. After this is when I'm going to add the French beans. Guys, I'm already feeling hungry, and hey, this is a voiceover. Oh my god, I'm hungry. Well, then the carrots. So I let the carrots steam a little bit, and then I added honey. now I'm adding the soy sauce. Because I don't want the French beans to overcook and the carrots to overcook, so I'm just going to finish this cooking real quick. And let it steam for a while. And now I am ready to serve. As you can see, my dania is not overly cooked. I don't like it overcooked. And the French beans are still also crunchy. The carrots are also crunchy. That is my type of food. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel because there are more videos that you're going to get to learn how to make real quick meals with very few spices in the house, natural ingredients mostly. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and drop a comment in the comment section about what you like about in this video and what you would wish to see more on my videos. Bye bye.